Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take English second paper class for the students of class 9. Look dear students, here our today's topic is application and this is our lecture number 12 and there is no SW today. Okay dear students, there is no SW today. Look the board please. Look here, our topic is about an application to your headmaster requesting him to increase common room facilities. I am repeating, an application to your headmaster requesting him to increase common room facilities. Now dear students, please follow the board. Here I have written it. Look, at first you have to write the date and then look here, this application we are going to write to our headmaster. So here you have to write the headmaster, then you can write here your school name or you can write here X school, and then you can write here the place name, that means Dhaka. Okay, then here you have to write the subject topic. Okay, for increasing common room facilities, you have to write here what? For increasing common room facilities. Dear students, now I am going to start. Look here, at first you have to write, sir, we the students of your school beg to draw your kind attention to the following fact that our common room is not well furnished. It does not provide much scope of enjoyment and entertainment. We cannot enjoy our off period for want of indoor sports materials such as carom, chess, etc. There is no television set. It is the most common source of entertainment. There is no arrangement of keeping more dailies, magazines, etc. which are part and parcel for us. All these things mirror of the world, but we are deprived of all these things. Then you have to write, under the above circumstances, we pray and hope that Your Honor would be kind enough to realize the problem we face and consider the matter sympathetically. Yours faithfully. Then you can write here why on behalf of the students of your school. So I am repeating this once again, dear students. Look here. So like this, you have to write the application and you have to mention all the rules of an application. So, the description was what? Sir, with the students of your school, beg to draw your kind attention to the following fact that our common room is not well furnished. It does not provide much scope of enjoyment and entertainment. We cannot enjoy our off period for want of indoor sports materials such as carom, chess, etc. And there is no television set. It's the most common source of entertainment, and there is no arrangement of keeping more dailies, magazines, etc. which are part and parcel for us. All these things mirror of the world, but we are deprived of all these things. Under the above circumstances, we pray and hope that Your Honor would be kind enough to realize the problem we face and consider the matter sympathetically. Yours faithfully, and then you have to finish the application like why on behalf of the students of your school. So dear students, like this way you have to write this application and we will learn more application in our live class 2. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing this at your home. See you again in our next class. Allah Hafiz.